This is a little video taken on the 4th of July, or 5th, 4th or 5th. I call it Living in the Rain. Caravan veranda leaking a little up along there, but it's not too bad. And this is my kitchen. And it's my not too horrible weather dining room. And this is to step up into the caravan. And we go around here. This is all a bit, all a bit wet. And this is the dry area. I can sit here and admire the view. This is how the other half lives, or the other 7/8. No, hang on, 3/4 maybe.